Hi, I'm Susan. Today is day 5 of Dephemerember, and our prompts for today is number or sentiment, which I'm using a sentiment, and ticket. So I've got different size tickets here. This challenge is hosted by Luise Heinzl and Barbara of 49 Dragonflies, and it has been so much fun. I've learned so much. And be sure and check out their channels. I'll have them listed in my description box down below, as well as be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember to see what everyone else has made. A lot of people are participating. I'm really trying to keep up with everybody's videos, but it's hard. But I'm going to do it. I'm going to get through it. So without further ado, let's get started. here it is, finished. I've just went crazy with the owls. That was the animal I chose today. I've got my top card. I've got my next card, or I should say ticket. I used some washi stickers on this one. And my sentiment is, it's bad to suppress laughter. It goes back down and spreads to your hips, by Fred Allen. I thought that was funny. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbara and Luise's channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember. And let me add my tag to my book. And I've already prepared my page. I had this image, and this image was another one that came from that book I was telling you about. This was the one. It's called The Book of Nature Poetry. And I thrifted this book, and I've used a lot of images, but I've used nature, and it's got all kinds of weather. It's got all kinds of beautiful pictures. So that is what I've used for a lot of my collages here lately. I just love it. So add my little ticket, and I just used a tea bag to make my pocket. So until next time, bye y'all.